Hi friends, welcome to my channel Happiness as a Choice, which deals with stress management. Today I'll be telling you all about positive parenting using NLP technique, and I will be telling you all about positive parenting in different series. And today I'll be sharing the first series and dealing with one of the tips like rapport establishment. Rapport establishment really helps to build a climate of trust and understanding between the parents and the kids, or maybe you can say between anyone. So that is the most important technique which really helps us to have a good relationship. Nowadays, as you know, the parents are working, and the child has to maintain and do everything by himself. And both the parents go to work, and the child has to maintain everything by himself or herself. Naturally, both the parents and the children they remain in stress. So when they come back home, they find difficulties with each other. So for that reason, we have to know the proper tips to remain stress-free and to deal with our kids in a stress-free manner. So what happens? For example, if the child comes back from school with a very heavy mood, and the parents, instead of scolding and shouting at him, if the parents start understanding his state of mind, then it becomes easy. And NLP technique, that means what I mean, NLP is neuro linguistic programming. We are using certain language or communication pattern and using a strategy to change a thought process, so that becomes easy for us to deal in such situation. NLP really helps us to become conscious of our unconscious pattern that's running behind at different levels, and which helps us to get rid of our negative emotions. So when we come out of a negative emotions, we can also help our kids to come out of negative emotions. For that, we have to first build rapport with the kid, then only we can solve the problem. So rapport building can be done in two ways. One is matching, another one is mirroring. Matching means when suppose we want to match with the child emotions and state, we have to match with his tonality of the voice and his breathing rate. If he's breathing very slowly, we also start breathing like him. We have to match with the breathing process rate, or we have to match with his tonality of his voice. And mirroring also we can do by doing whatever he's doing, his gestures, his whatever words he's using, whatever style he's showing. So we can mirror, we can start mirroring him also. So what happens? Matching and mirroring helps us in rapport building, because everyone likes to be everyone like to have a person who is like him or herself. We like the ones who are like us. So or we can say we always like to be the one whom we want to be. So that whom we want to be, in two ways we can say, we like the persons who are like us, or we want to be like the person whom we love. So that is how when we start doing matching and mirroring with the child, he also feels better and he thinks, yeah, someone is there like me, someone is understanding me, someone is state of mind is also like me. So in that way what happens, he becomes very comfortable and a good rapport is established between the two persons. So we have to first start building rapport with the kids. Instead of shouting and all that, we also have to show that we are with you, we are the same mind like you, and we are thinking the same manner, so that he feels free and he starts discussing his problem with us. So matching and mirroring is two process very important in building rapport with the child. Once the child builds a rapport with us, or we build rapport with the child, what happens? There is a climate of trust and understanding is created, and the child starts sharing everything with you. And when he starts sharing his problem, then half of the problems is solved already. So if the child expresses that he is having anxiety or fear of the tomorrow's of the next day's competition which he is going to have, so what we can do, we can just boost him by using certain positive words. Like if you use the word as if, you can just tell the kid, why are you worrying so much? Think as if you are the winner tomorrow. Think as if you are on the stage and the principal is giving you the prize. How do you feel now? Now he has a smile on his face, and he gets the inner motivation to prepare for the competition, and he feels better. Now instantly he's stress free. So that is how rapport building is the most important process to get rid of a stressful situation and to have a healthy and a good relationship. And a good relationship is required to solve the problems in future. So that is how we can make the child stress free and we can have a better communication. And that's why NLP helps us to change the communication pattern to we use different communication pattern to bring about a change in our thought process and feel better. And when we become conscious of our unconscious pattern that is running behind a different level of our mind, we get out of our negative emotions and we feel better. That's how we can help our kids and being responsible parents. And believe me, it really works wonder when you build a rapport properly, and everything is possible. And for the next steps, stay connected with me and do watch my next series, which I'll be sharing more tips regarding positive parenting. Till then, bye. Thank you.
आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, पास में बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबाइए ताकि हर एक वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहेगा। फैमिली फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ शेयर करना मत भूलिए मेरे दोस्त।